Quick little review on this. Just got it in the mail. Wanted to show you before I tore into it. Sorry, I'm a little sick right now. This is one of my favorite things to buy for sniping. It's cheap, so if you lose some, no big deal. But it is really handy to have. Let me open it up and show you. Comes with this fancy little case. So I've actually taken out what I don't want to use and put in other stuff I wanted to use. That's a happy dog. And so, right. So this is a nice little case it comes with. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's got lots of little hooks, but my favorite one and the one I use the most is that big one right there. This guy right here. This works really, really well. Gets in where you want it. It's very light. It's actually pretty darn light to where the current will want to take it a little bit, which I didn't like. If it was a little heavier, that'd be good. That's why I started making my own. But you know, for these, I think that was less than $15 for all of those, and they last a long time. Usually they don't break. I'll lose them. So let's see what else other ones I like in there. So it does come with one with like a hook style like this. This I can't really use for sniping. The angle is not very good. So what I'll do is I'll just heat it up with a torch right here a little bit and just move it out so it's 45-degree angle. Works perfect. This tiny one I use a lot more than you would expect, and to get in those small crevices. It's really strong. It's flexible, but it doesn't bend very easy or snap very easy. It's just pretty darn good metal for this cheap as it is. And then I would say this is the strongest one. It has like a square in it with a bend, and this one's pretty beefy. It doesn't get down into those small cracks as easy, but it's strong. You can put a lot of leverage on it, and yeah, it's just another one that comes with it that I like to use this one. So it also does come with this pick style, and obviously this doesn't work for us. So again, what I do with these is I heat this up with the torch, and I just bend it over with some pliers or whatever, even hammer it over, and then it works fine. You could heat up this metal, reshape it to whatever you like. So yeah, this isn't just like, oh yeah, that's one I didn't want to use, throw it away. I'll still use this. It's the bigger size grip, and it turns out to be pretty good. So you're probably not going to want to take all of them. There's totally no reason for that, but maybe you could take two, one big, one small, and then throw some tweezers in there, maybe those clamp down scissor looking things, forgot the name of them, but and maybe even your snuffer bottle, and this could be your little kit, you know, you have that you throw in your backpack. But yeah, these are really good, and I've bought a few of them, but like I said, it's rarely that they break, it's more that I lose them. But I like them, especially that big one. So get yourself some, and that's the name right there. You can find on eBay or Amazon or wherever.